The Britannia Conservation Area is located just west of downtown Ottawa, along the Ottawa River shoreline. It is one of the easiest green spaces to visit. The woodlands and wetlands make it perfect for migrating birds. You can find many winter species of birds here, including chickadees, woodpeckers, cardinals, and ducks. Over 248 species can be seen here year-round. The winter snow makes it harder to find food, but berries and vegetation allow many animals to live here all year round. For more information on the Britannia Conservation Area, contact ontario.ca.